Welcome back to another video, and today we're playing another game, and today we're gonna be doing a Rubik's Cube challenge with my brother. He's behind the camera right now. Say hi. He doesn't want to say hi right now, but so we're doing a Rubik's Cube challenge. We have a timer right here. We're gonna solve one color, and
This
we
is
have
the
a
paper.
list. We're gonna do best out of 3. We have the list right here, and yeah, we have a timer. And my brother's gonna tell me which color to solve. What color should I? Oops, timer. Can you see it?
Yeah.
What color do you want me to solve, brother?
Orange. Wait. Orange. Yeah.
Orange. Okay, where's the orange here? Okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1, go. I want to be the score. If you hear extra noise, then that's probably our grandparents. Sorry. Oh my god. Where's the other one? Okay, what happened? Stop cooking. Stop! Sorry guys, my brother's distracting me. Stop! What's the timer? I can't see.
1 minute.
Oh. Okay, almost done. Come on. I don't want to be 2 minutes. 2 minutes is horrible. Why? I'm trying to concentrate.
I think I won the first round already.
Probably, because we've been having Rubik's Cube challenges.
As a practice.
Yeah, and he's been beating me.
Ever since.
Yeah.
It's almost a minute. 2 minutes.
Oh no! Okay, got that. I just need this. Wait, I'm not done yet. Don't press it yet.
I'm getting ready. It's taking so long.
Done.
2 minutes, 13 seconds.
Ah.
Okay.
Okay,
Now
guys, I'm gonna go behind the camera now.
wait, write your score. Okay, I'm gonna write my score. 2:13. Okay, now mix that up. My score, 2 minutes, 13 seconds. Oh, I don't think we have time for another round because our time limit's almost up. So we'll just have him solve it and then hurry up.
Okay.
Solve the color white. Just go.
What? Okay.
Okay, guys, our time limit is almost up. We'll tell you who won in this description down below, okay? Oh, wait. It's over? I don't know. It's going over at the time limit for some reason. But if it stops, like, for some reason, we'll tell you who wins the competition in the description down below. For some reason, it's going over the time limit. That's weird.
Some stuff.
I guess. The timer. And then he's almost done with his Rubik's Cube. Wow, this is really going on. Oh, he beat my score! No! No!
52 seconds! Oh!
Okay, write down 0:52. So guys, so far in round 1, he's beating me. So yeah, it's my turn.
Mix it up quickly. Okay, what color do you want me to solve?
Green.
Wait. Okay. I'm gonna press it. 3, 2, 1, go. So green is easy for me. I don't know why. Maybe it's just luck.
16 seconds.
You don't have to tell me.
Just letting you know.
This is hard. Green is now hating me now. Okay, I'm getting some progress. Done!
51 seconds.
Oh yeah! Right time is-
Boom! 51 seconds.
So I got a point now, so maybe my brother can tie it up.
Yeah. 51 seconds.
What
Right
color?
there. What color? Yellow.
Yellow. Okay, get ready.
3.
Wait,
Wait.
I didn't press the button. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Sorry guys, I have to go for a sec. Oh God, he's on the phone. So far so good. But not for me though. Might get a little loud in here. Wow, this is really going over time limit. It says the time is not the timer, guys. Our camera. It says it's going for 7 minutes.
Sorry if you hear that.
Sorry, that's my grandparents. We'll try to talk a little loud like that. Oh no, I beat him. I beat his score. You see? You see?
Okay, so
58 seconds. And it's now 1 minute.
okay, I'm done.
Done. Okay, now I got a point. I tied the round up. Now let's write this down. 113. So now, guys, he won the last round. I won this round. So whoever wins round 3
It's the winner for this video.
Okay, so let's get started.
What color do you want me to solve, brother?
Blue.
Blue.
3, 2, 1, go.
What? Where's the blue center? Oh, here. You're stressing me out, man.
One.
I'm panicking. If I lose, I'm gonna rage quit. Oh God, I'm almost done. No, come on. Wait, die. Done.
36 seconds.
Oh, yeah!
37 seconds. You could win this. You could win that. You cheater. I didn't cheat.
You cheated.
I didn't cheat.
Oh, what color do you want me to solve? White.
Let's write this down for me. 37
What
seconds.
color? Red.
Yeah, red.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Okay, guys. So far, I could win it. 37 seconds.
Pressure's on.
I could win this episode. And if you want, you could leave a comment down below if you want us to do more Rubik's Cube challenges. Okay, this is really going over time limit. 9 minutes. Wow.
No!